Okay. Yeah, but what do you have to say about this the affidavit जी Supreme Court हातून फायल केलेली आसा पळय ती क्लाफा सेन आणि Wilfredan saying that even those 5 MLAs are independent and there is no existence of Congress party. तुम्ही एक one of the MLA आसा तितून कितें exactly?
They went from the Congress to the BJP. And what they are speaking only is confusing. How comment you forget? They have joined from the Congress to the BJP. They have got elected on a Congress ticket. You ask them their certificate, election certificate matter, result. So तो माशी एक certificate तेका तेजी Congress मास्तने. So where is the question of they saying that party doesn't exist when they have got elected? No, it shows. I don't know whether they have done it because of the election petition लागून जिखपा जाय मो पेटिशन वो ते पिटे जाताय मो बयान ते केला कित म्हणना वो तेंक साइन मारपा लायल्या आनी ते वास नासपास साइन मारला कित मावलेना बट इट इज वेरी क्लियर that you can't be ungrateful to a party and especially to the voters who have elected you on a particular ticket. Okay. People have elected you on a Congress ticket and you have gone to the BJP.
No, but does it has any connection? हेजे connection ते हेजे स्पीकरच्या डिसिजनाचेर कितें जावंक शकता जे तुमी ते म्हणटा पळय तितून तेणें ते एफिडेविट फायल केला
It is election defection law is very clear that if you split the party, you have to split the legislature, you have to split the party. They have not done it. They have not split the party. So the executive has not been split. So there is no question. It is a full case of defection. They are to be out. Now Supreme Court in another state have managed it.
Party.
In another state, Manipur, they have managed it. The ruling government padeha, tenge pade. You cannot call it what it would say interference in everything. Right from so many things that have been happening in the country for so many years. Justice delayed is justice denied. So there is no question. Ada disqualification जावपाचे actually जावपा जाय आसलो fast, but जाला ना. They are passing time. They are planning to continue it till the next elections.
Okay.
Ada they have said in that affidavit also that 15 fellows wanted to join, only 5 fellows remained. 5 persons of the legislature remained behind. So thank you that no meeting was called of such nature and 15 people didn't want to join. Now they should tell why they have joined. They can't keep telling that 5 have not joined. Now they have to tell why they joined, what was their benefit. And last part is that we don't intend, Congress party padeha, few people like those 10 people cannot decide the future of the Congress party. Congress party is a 150-year, is a party which is almost 150 years old. So there is no question of these fellows talking against our party.
No, but is it to save he affidavit आताच्या टायमार येता पळय आनी मिडियान देखून येता is it to save them from being disqualified or आनी कितें एक्शनाचेर तुमकां दिसता हेका लागून this is a hype created हे आतां एफिडेविटाचेर म्हणटा पळय ते म्हणटा आनी MLAs ना काँग्रेस पार्टी एक्झिस्टन्स ना ते इंडिपेंडंट MLAs.
That's the way how they do it. You know, tell lie, go belém truth, lie 41 man सांगप लोकांक कितें सांगप. But it doesn't happen. Congress party is a big party. They can't decide what is the future of the Congress party. Congress will bounce back. That is one thing sure. Whatever they might say, finish.
What do you expect on 26th decision could be? Because finally कोर्टान सांगला स्पीकराक decision घे 26th decision आसा.
You can't expect the unexpected. Itli tem decision dila. So it is not expected.
It is not expected.
Not expected for simple reason they will say keep it for argument. Argumentaची थिंग हे जातले कोरोना केस जातली ना जाल्यार आनी कितें जातलें.
So COVID cases are expected तितून.
I can't say. I'm not expecting the unexpected. I'm expecting the expected. Means they have planned it.
So no result will come.
Actually, the people of Goa are looking forward for a result. But the BJP doesn't want to give it. Which the speaker's post is a constitutional post. It has to be free and fair in a democracy.
So you also
A
expect.
party should a party on its own should decide about the future. So you can just imagine what type of this party is.
Some are saying that in Karnataka अशें जालेलें पण ते म्हणले ते इलेक्शनाकूय व्हडले मिनिस्टरी जाले अजुनूय the matter is still going on.
No,
So
Karnataka they got elected, no?
Huh.
They
Again?
Yeah, some of them got elected again.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's no question. Now,
Hmm.
let's wait for the result because it is a matter which is sub judice also. Let us not speak much about it. But expecting the unexpected is not there in this case.
Do you see?
At least the truth is far behind.
तुमकां दिसता की हितूंतल्यान कितेंय जावं एक्सपेक्टेड अनएक्सपेक्टेड जावं अर्ली एक्झिट पोल अर्ली असेंब्ली पोल्स तुमकां दिसता आहा बिकॉज देर इज अ रुमर सेइंग दॅट देर कुड बी अर्ली असेंब्ली पोल्स
Rumor पण म्हणटा तो घालप तांगेलें काम तें आनी खरें जाता जाल्यार रुमरान आसना आसलेली कांय कोडपा पासून न्ही सो let us do our work and prepare for the next step.
हाऊ वूड रिजनल रिएक्ट ऑन मारगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी पोल्स बिकॉज आयज विजयानी म्हटलां दॅट वी वूड लायक हांव रिजनल दिगंबर एकठांय जावन आमी कितें आहा जाल्यार म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शनाक वोट करता म्हणून सो तुमचें कितें
Let us let's we have no this no. I mean we are not against anybody, but if there is a united fight, no issues. We'll take that option.
So you are okay, you are open for that option and you will fight together.
We are waiting for the option. We are waiting for the final decision on it.
Today, Chief Minister Marga has made a statement that his government has taken actions on this anti-activities, anti-social elements, criminal activities and all. What is your say?
Thing is that we require more action. That is not enough. And I think continuously the incident जायत आहे गोल्ड केस गोल्ड पड्या ती केस जाली मागीर ते छाडल्या मर्डर केस जाली मागीर ते छाडल्या आनी कितें जालें हें स्प्री ऑफ क्रायम्स पळय आहा ते देंवना नो क्वेश्चन कांय देंवना सो वेर इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ दे सेइंग दॅट वी हॅव टेकन एक्शन देर इज नो एक्शन दॅट हॅज बीन टेकन एक्शन इज म्हणजे क्रायम बंद जावपा जाय नाजाल्यार तें एक्शन
Okay.
नाजाल्यार एक्शन ना इट शोज दॅट यू नो क्रायम तुमी वाडयता आनी एक्शन घेता म्हूण सांगता ना क्रायम बंद करून दाखय फिनिश दॅट्स इट
The reservationचेर how do you see this reservation though the matter has been moved in the next week तुमकां दिसता reservation मुद्दाम केला कितें केला एक्झॅक्टली कितें
रिजर्वेशन पळय आहा तें प्लॅन्ड केलां एवरी इयर रिजर्वेशन पळय आहा तें नेक्स्ट इयर बेस्ड ऑन द ओल्ड जाता rotation goes by the old rotation of numbers, OBCs, women reservations, everything goes by sequence of what was in the last. काय ना मुगे तिनी वॉर्ड लेडी कोण सोडलो म्हणजे they have manipulated so much and they call it right. On the ground, everybody knows how much manipulation is done.
काल कॅबिनेटान एक्सटेंशन फॉर कसिनोज दिलेलें आसा
It is said that after if casinos there is no if casinos are allowed to be so freely there, they will rule the state after some time.
So you fear that?
There's no question of fear. It looks like it's going to be reality. So few people will decide who even will be the chief minister. If people don't get together and change this, then they will change your leader. That is the message for the people on the last decision of the renewal of casinos. Licenses have been given without any competitions also. No auctioning of licenses, nothing. And renewals are given. The more the number, the less would have been the threat on the democracy. But there is no question. It looks like we are heading for a disaster. I pray it doesn't happen. That's it.
So one more thing is that Kal even in cabinet the project and proposal approval दिलेला आसा some of that power project तेजे तुमचे are you aware about it?
No, we are not aware. But what they are doing is certainly wrong. They're not taking the people of Goa into confidence.
Mm.
They are rushing through the proposals. They want to do what they want. In other words, they want to destroy Goa, which is not what the Goans want. Goans are looking at a peaceful state with a clean environment, with a good infrastructure facility, not double tracking for coal, not infrastructure where we will have no revenues at all. Corridor करपाक आनी coal hub करपाक आमी गोंयचे.